Volkswagen infotainment systems in 2015-2023 models like the Golf and Tiguan with MIB2 and MIB3 platforms sometimes experience reboot loops, including endless restarts, black screens, or freezes. These issues are often caused by software glitches, data corruption, or hardware problems. VW has largely addressed this through over-the-air software updates, especially version 0850 or higher for MIB3 systems. This update includes bug fixes for kernel stability, significantly reducing reboot incidents. If you are experiencing reboot loops, first ensure your system is up to date and has the latest firmware. If updating doesn't resolve the reboot loop, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For a deeper reset, disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes. Ensure your SD card, if used for maps, is not corrupted or failing. Persistent issues may indicate hardware problems, such as a faulty power supply or aging capacitors. In such cases, dealer intervention is necessary for diagnostic scans and potential hardware replacement. User-installed third-party apps can also cause issues, so consider uninstalling recently added apps. Regular software updates and avoiding unofficial modifications are key to preventing future reboot loops. VW's CarNet app can assist with real-time diagnostics and personalized updates.